Hello everyone! Today, magluluto ako ng chop suey with quail egg. Ito ang ating ingredients: sayote, carrots, beans, cauliflower, and quail egg. At meron tayong garlic at onions. Let's try cooking. Na-fry na natin ang ating onions. Ilalagay na natin yung ating garlic. At halu-haluin lang. So, nag-change color na yung ating onions and garlic. Ilalagay na natin yung ating vegetables. At halu-haluin lang din natin ito. So, dito guys, maglagay tayo ng seasoning, 2 Knorr cubes. So, dito guys, naglagay tayo ng a little bit of salt. So, maglagay tayo ng 2 cups of water para lumambot yung ating gulay. So, dito guys, i-open na natin yung ating niluluto at maglagay tayo dito ng ating oyster sauce. At dito guys, naglagay ako dito ng black pepper. At dahil sa madali lang lutuin itong cauliflower, inilagay na natin. Ito yung pinahuli nating gulay. At tinakpan muna natin guys para lumambot ng mabilis yung ating gulay. So, tinapins na natin guys yung ating quail egg sa ating chop suey. So, look yummy na and very nice ang ating chop suey. So, ilalagay na natin ang ating pinaka-highlights na ingredients, yung ating cornstarch para medyo lumapot yung ating chop suey. So, dito guys, check na natin yung ating seasoning kung na-achieve ba natin ang ating gustong ma-achieve sa lasa ng ating chop suey. So, since natikman na natin yung ating menu. Super yummy and masyadong masarap yung ating chop suey. So guys, done na tayo dito sa ating pagluluto ng ating chop suey with quail egg. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye everybody! Thanks for watching!